If you've lost access to your Pinterest account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Pinterest login page. Go to the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when you signed up. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Pinterest with instructions on how to reset your password. This email should arrive shortly after you submit your request. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to reset your password. Choose a new password that is strong and secure, then confirm it. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Pinterest login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance.